packed and loaded, ready to go. PS set. Can't wait to leave this city jam. So Fala, where are we going now?
Wooris campsite, Janda Baik.
Yay! It takes around 1 hour 20 minutes, 72 kilometers from Subang Jaya. We are here for breakfast. Today we will try the wooden house noodle. Our friends are here. Our home is ready, so everything is the same. Okay, our bed is facing the river. We got power station, but here have plug point. So this is our resting area. Our kitchen, we really bought this for all the pots and pans that cannot be hanged. Got the new kitchen rack here, hang all the things, and then this is our new dustbin rack. Okay, our water dispenser. So right now the table is free from all the stuff. We keep on icebox. This is our dining table. Over here at night, we plan to set up the projector screens. That's our banner. This is the river view here. There is a table and chairs here for us to sit. BBQ area. This is our neighbor, our friends. Over here got basins and dustbin. Here's our laundry area. We hang with our foldables hanger. Here also our washroom here with our new shower pump. New onion and garlic pack, onion bottles, all the sauce here. Easy to take. Ice cream man is here. There are 2 chalet here, and then 2 pondok. The toilet is here, and the parking there, and inside there are all the tapak. Toilets look very clean. Got the toilet handle, got shower, and got seated toilet. So on the entrance here, you can drop off here. You can park in here. So this is tapak number 1, tapak number 2, tapak number 3. So this is tapak 4. This is tapak 5, and this is tapak 6. This is tapak 7, and then this is tapak 8. This is tapak 9, tapak 10, tapak 11, tapak 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 16, 17, 18. This is 19, 20, 21, 22 is behind the tapak 9. It's an island. There's our tapak. It's the walkway to cross over to the small island of tapak 21, 22. From our tapak, there is a stairway to the river. Hai, yayo soktok, yayo ha. Anh đi vô朋友，幾棟嘅包到咁樣咗。 Good morning. Oh my god. Monkey ate my fruits. Bite open my coffee. Nampak tak? Banyak petai kat situ. Tapi tinggi tu. Tak dapat panjat lah. Ni dia bunga petai. Kau ni dia, Pak. Betul. Nah, kau ni dah baik. Oh, ayo. Mau kau ya? Mau kau. Hak kau. Ya. Kau kan expect dia oleh boleh jadi satu untuk camping. Nhanh vậy. Nhanh vậy. 問親就扣你啊，時候婆。整緊咩？義工，等解嗰條友捉耳，放入嚟呢度。Picking up rubbish from the river. Why do people like to throw rubbish in the river? 呢個兩條友入嚟洗頭啊，兩個洗頭啊。Free ah?
Jangan lupa datang dia, RM2 saja. Dah masuk.
Đây là 兩個切嘢 station， 比賽切嘢。
慢慢講嚇，咁多嘢千雞食，屋企都冇千雞食。
鹹菜豆腐湯睇下，哇！燒雞翼，我自細中意食。雜菜又有索當。Flying fish wow camping style。小朋友動啦，啊學動冇啊？
Janda Baik orang ya betul. Orang komplek KL ah. Ya.
Okay, belanja sikit lah night view of our second night kat sini. Có ý kiến á? Down timber. All of the bed ready to go home. Since they haven't have the pot, well that's it. I can just simply stick here first. Bye bye, Wooris campsite. Đi thấy đi thấy. Bây giờ xong phần nhận đi thấy. Jumpa lagi. Janda Baik.